out in YouTube land.
Kason, pretend that we're going to the place, not coming back from it, and explain what's gonna happen.
SVAE, we're gonna have a friendly conversation with them, and they're gonna see what the project is, and then we're gonna go, ah!
Hello, SVAE, we're gonna have a friendly conversation with them, and they're gonna see what the project is, and then we're gonna go, ah!
I think I just burned a hole in my throat!
How do you feel about your big day today?
Not very confident.
How do you feel about the big, well, it's not the big day, it's just the day,
The minor day.
the minor big day.
About the same, hey.
It's the big day's big brother. No, the big day's
Little brother.
little big brother.
Minuscule
big
brother.
little brother.
Minuscule brother.
Yeah.
So do you think,
I know we have to wait outside for them to finish class, but I know how we can make it go quicker.
What?
Watch. Oh, that was definitely not a camera transition. What are we doing right now, Kason?
We're watching ourselves lose.
And whispering about it.
So like,
Well, they gotta make
our
it
idea is
for
super similar to ours.
They can make like
They did theirs first, so it's kind of better. Like kind of better. I mean, it's amazing. So like, it's like super catchphrased.
Probably up to the.
Yeah, we're gonna need quite a bit more.
So we get 3 tests. One is going to be from the water here that comes from New Market water, and then one from the creek.
Then down to the river.
So we'll have those 3. So we'll see how it compares to a drinking water eventually. Okay.
It's the little big moment, Sam. It's the little big moment. Not the big, but the little big. But that head is pretty big.
The biggest small moment we've been waiting for, going against SVAE.
Oh, nice. No! Oh. Thought you had it.
That's a robot.
The coat starts on it.
Oh, your dad was the coat? Oh, it didn't. See, that's why I said we should just put we should use extendo butts. Oh, is he the guy you smacked in the face?
Yes.
No.
We got one thing out program. It's gonna be too hard to know. It's drifting.
Oh, shoot.
Alright, dude.
Come on, guys. Oh, yes!
That's what
Get him.
No.
The waterfall thing is the bane of us.
It's not a degree. Whatever.
No!
No! So close!
Oh my goodness!
Oh. Yes.
Yes! There you go.
There we go.
And fling it all the way over to the rain cloud.
I think right now we're just
practicing.
Just growing through it. Just growing through it. Growing.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh,
Oh no! No! Did you adjust that one, Sam?
Yes.
oh no! Pull it! Pull it! Pull it! Pull it! Pull it!
It's not gonna do it.
No!
It started too low, and it didn't go far enough forward.
And it was about to hit that thing again.
It was about to
We
hit
need
it.
toilet sounds for that. We know where our wings will come in.
No, it's not. Oh, no.
I'm gonna move it up forward where I landed up.
No. Oh, that's how it works.
Oh, I just
Why'd you
changed
call it
stuff,
I'm Batman? Because it's the Bat
Oh, dang it.
Oh, it started when it went, it turned.
I got it.
Don't.
No, Sam, I can.
Yes, no.
Yeah.
Ow! You deserve that. That's not cheap
Oh
merchandise.
no.
No, it's not. No.
No.
That's extremely cheap
Wait.
now.
What? See?
Oh no. I can find you. Hey, I'm wait.
Whoops.
He did it.
He did it.
Who killed it?
Batman.
Get off my spot. Come on.
Why?
It's taste too. Wow. Alright, get them playing. I mean, we had it earlier. I changed it.
Hey YouTube fans, this is Leo Lightning Squad. We're on our way back to the school for my first lost competition.
Yes.
We didn't
lose,
compete.
We didn't win either because
There wasn't. We didn't even time it. We just because we ran out of time.
we just kind of like showed us our projects. Well, we just showed a project. Ours hasn't even started yet.
Can I give a recap on the project?
Recap on the project.
So they did the same exact thing. They did the same exact thing as us. A water filter made
Well,
out of
actually,
buckets.
we're doing the same thing as them because we haven't started yet. So.
True. And so they thought of the water loss in Puerto Rico and how some people have to drink out hazardous waste sites.
Hazardous waste
The thing
sites.
is, we weren't thinking about
Hazardous.
Puerto Rico. We were
No, we were thinking. Oh, I thought we were thinking about Puerto
and
Rico.
so it's like
thinking about the
so
droughts
there's
in Africa.
sand, gravel, and charcoal.
About the
And as it runs,
droughts
and
down
then
in-
drinking water will run through a UV light filter and we'll clean it for drinking water, and then it's just straightforward water that comes out the other end, which is for.
That sounds right, Kaylee. I guess not really a drought, the water source.
Oh my goodness, Jason!
Stuff. Projectile.